This tutorial will show you how to pull reports. The first time you log in, you will have to create a password. To do so, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions. For this example, this has been completed previously. Once logged in, you'll be able to see all of the recent activity and any new updates. You will want to click on Reporting, GED Works StageGate Report, Download Report. Once downloaded, you'll be able to see the report at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This report is a brief overview of where your applicants are at in the program. If you want a more detailed report, go to Manage GED Works Students, click on Export. An Excel file will download and you'll be able to view the report. Click on Open to view your report. On this report, you will be able to view the student's information such as name, email, phone number, and where they are at in their GED journey. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at gedworks@ged.com.